Hi, how's it going, y'all? It's Red Wings 10531, and how are you doing? Today's video is going to be about how to make a fire truck siren and fire truck horn, just with your own voice. As soon as you hear it, you know exactly what siren they are and horn they are. So I can do that in no time. So the first is a cue. A cue is where the motor and a fan runs and makes a sound come out. That's what a cue is. And if anybody knows what a cue siren is, it's a really high-pitched sound. It sounds like a freaking cat, almost. So I'll do that, and then a normal siren, and then an air horn. I don't know how to do a bell, but I know how to do those three. Okay, here's what a cue sounds like. Woo! 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 And how was that?